Hello, students. It has been a long time since we had a communicative English class. I am Sreeraj here to help you with the communicative part of English language. Let's start afresh. Can you tell me what is a language? Language is a fully developed means or medium to communicate. Without language, we cannot convey or receive messages to and from the world. As we know, there are many languages around the globe. There are people with bilingual strengths. Even some population talk different dialects of the same language. Dialect means the difference in the spoken form of a single language. As an example, the Malayalam in Thrissur and Thiruvananthapuram. Now to study the language, we generally divide the language into two. That is, mother tongue and foreign language. We acquire our mother tongue by social intervention and we are being exposed to that language by birth. On the other side, a foreign language needs a systematic study and practice to gain full control on the same. So the people become proficient in a language with their exposure and practice in that particular language. As I told you in the beginning, that is, we need a systematic study to be proficient in a foreign language. The grammatical study is the best way to understand a language. Because this approach will teach us to study the structure, components, and the usage with vivid clarity. Let's start our class.
Let's start with the sentences. Here is a sentence for you. Students are ready for the class. It is formed with some words, right? A group of words. Is there any meaningful message in this sentence? Is there any representation here? When we read this sentence, does it make any sense? Yes. Now, can you tell me what is a sentence? Can you define a sentence? This is the definition. A sentence is a group of words which make a complete sense. A group of words which makes a complete sense is called a sentence. Sentence, there are four kinds. Those which makes a statement or assertion. Example, Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. It's a statement or assertion that Humpty Dumpty is sitting on a wall. It is stating that Humpty Dumpty is sitting on a wall. Those which ask a question. That means it's a questioning type of sentence. Where do you live? That means it is asking you, where do you live? Those which expresses commands, requests, or entreaties, such as be quiet, that's a command, it's not a request. Have mercy upon us, it's a request, a humble request. Entreaties means humble, very sincere request. Okay? Then the fourth one, those which expresses strong feeling, as what a shame, how cold the night is. It is expressing a strong feeling, right? What a shame. It's a shameful thing. How cold the night is. It's very cold in the night. So we will give certain names to these type of sentences. It will be coming as follows. A sentence that make a statement or assertion will be called declarative or assertive type of sentences. Then the second one that asks a question is called interrogative sentences. The questioning sentence will be named interrogative sentences. And the third, which expresses command or entreaty, is called imperative sentence. And the last one, the sentence that expresses strong feeling, is called exclamatory sentence. It will be expressing strong feeling. A sentence is composed of two parts, subject and predicate. When we form a sentence, usually we complete it with two parts. We name some person or thing. We say something about that person or thing. Hence, in every sentence, there will be two parts. That is, a part which names a person or thing we are talking about. That will be the subject. And a part which tells something about the subject. That is predicate. As an example, three sentences are given here. You can just see that he has a good memory. The singing of the birds delights us. Edison invented the phonograph. Can you identify the two different parts? What is subject and what is predicate? Look into this. He is the subject in the first sentence and has a good memory is the predicate. The singing of the birds is a subject in the second sentence and the delights us is the predicate. Edison is a subject in the third one. Invented the phonograph is the predicate. So this is the way we are dividing the sentence. Subject and predicate. We will discuss further in the next classes.
And that's all for now. We will meet up in the next class. Take care. Thank you.